Now, breaking news from NBC4.
A bad sign for Ohio businesses hoping to avoid a second shutdown. More than 8,000 new cases of coronavirus were reported here in our state in the last 24 hours, breaking daily records by wide margins for a second day in a row.
And that record is nearly 1,000 cases higher than totals yesterday as COVID-19 cases continue to surge like we've never seen before. Here's where things stand according to the Ohio Department of Health. The 8,071 new cases today bring Ohio's statewide total above 282,000. That's more than the entire population of the city of Toledo. 42 more people died with COVID-19. That brings the state's death toll above 5,700, and nearly 300 more Ohioans reported going to the hospital just within the last 24 hours. And as those numbers rise to a critical level, businesses are questioning whether or not they'll be able to stay open.
You heard Governor DeWine's warning here on NBC4 Wednesday, but now lawmakers, some in the governor's own party, are responding with a warning of their own. New at 6 tonight, NBC4's Adrian Robbins is live with why not everyone is on the same page at the State House. Adrian.
Kerry, lawmakers from both sides of the aisle are criticizing the governor's statewide address on Wednesday, and that disagreement could turn into a showdown here at the State House.
I think the governor has already sent a signal that he does want to shut Ohioan down.
Many of Governor DeWine's fellow Republicans weren't a fan of his statewide address this week, from the new mask order that puts enforcement on businesses.
Some of these new orders could make it even more difficult for businesses that are already struggling.
To the possibility of restaurants, bars, and fitness centers closing.
If doctors, nurses are saving lives, who in the heck is saving jobs? And I feel like the legislature needs to step up.
Representative John Cross says another shutdown could kill businesses.
We need to put solutions on his desk. We need to put checks and balances on his desk. And we need to send a signal that, Governor, our constituency has had enough. You need to keep Ohio open.
Governor DeWine's press secretary Dan Tierney said in a statement today, the theme of the governor's speech was that we need to act now to protect hospitals and businesses and avoid shutdowns. For Democrats, they believe what's hurting Ohio's response to this pandemic is Republican infighting. Representative Russo faults the governor for his party not having a consistent message.
This virus doesn't care if you're a Democrat or Republican or if you believe in this virus or not. We are in a very serious situation here as a state, and we need to be very consistent and on the same page.
Next week on Wednesday, both the House and Senate are scheduled to be in session. One day later, Governor DeWine says he will evaluate the possible closure of those select businesses. Local for you at the State House, I'm Adrian Robbins, NBC4.